Hi, good morning all. This is Manjuna. As we left the class in the last lecture 2.3 exercise, let's continue that on today. The question is, third one, obtain all other zeros of 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So I have teach this same example in the last topic of this last example of this topic. They given roots, two roots they given, and applied the other two roots. So here also they given two roots. You have to solve the other two roots. So the formula, the question is 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So if two of two zeros is x equal to 5 by root 5 by 3 and x equal to minus root 5 by 3. So they given two roots, root 5 by 3 and minus 5 root by 3. So what you have to do here is, so the zeros are this one written as x minus root 5 by 3, this one as x plus root 5 by 3. So you can multiply these two numbers. So it is a minus b, a plus b. So a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So here x is nothing but here x into x square and root 5 by 3 whole square. Root 5 by 3 root 5 by 3 whole square. So this square, this cancels. So remaining will be x square minus 5 by 3. So the number should not be in fraction. So you have to multiply by denominator. So you multiply by 3. This will become 3x square minus 3. Here you have to take a 3. No. So here 3, here 3. So that cancels. So minus 5. So this number will be, it is in the form of 3x square minus 5. So 3x square minus 5 is the factor of this equation. So you have to find out the other roots. So how you can do means, you can do the division method. This is divisor 3x square minus 5 and this is the dividend 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So if we solve this one, next you see 3x square minus 5 is there. So you have to make 3x raised to 4. So 3x square is always percent and make it x square. So x square 3x raised to 4 plus this minus 5 is there. Minus 5 into x square is minus 5. So x cube is not shown. What I told, if there is no term in the x cube or x square, you write 0. So 0 x cube minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. Then you do this one cancelled. Then 6x cube. This will become plus. So plus 5x square minus 2x square is plus 3x square plus 3x square. So 3x square is there, you have to make 6x cube. So plus 2x, because 3 into 2 is 6, x square into x is x cube. So 3x square into 2x you have to take. So it will become 3x cube plus minus 5 into 2 minus 10x. So 0 square because nothing is there. Then next term is 10x minus 10x is there. Here I will write minus 10x. So this one minus 5 into 2 is minus 10x. Therefore this will get cancelled. Then 3x square. This will get cancelled. Then remaining is 3x square minus 5. So if 3x square minus 5 is there, so you have same is there. So you have to multiply by 1. Because anything in the number into multiply that number only. So 3x square minus 5 is there, 3x square minus 5 is there. So 3x square minus 5. Minus 5. So this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. 0. So the number, the equation we have obtained is x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is from the roots I have taken, this is x square minus 5 by 3. So you have to keep the equation in the not in the fraction form. So I have taken 3 multiplication on both sides. So 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 into 3 is get cancelled and 5 is there. So x square is 5. Then I have taken the 3x square minus 5 as the divisor, that is g of x. This is p of x. Then I wrote the equation. Then from solving this division method, you will get the quotient as the x square plus 2x plus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1 we can split as square plus 2x plus 1 is, you can split as x, s you take common, so x plus 2, then no, x square, 2x you can split it as s plus x plus 1, so you can take common x plus 1, again one common, x plus 1, so the roots are x plus 1 and x plus 1, so the roots will be, the x plus 1 is equal to 0, so the roots will be minus 1, and x plus 1 is equal to 0 is minus 1, so the other roots of this equation is minus 1 and minus 1, so it is x equal to root 5 zeros. These zeros of the equation are minus 5 by root 3, minus 5 by root 3, minus 1 and minus 1, because it is coming in the x plus 1 whole square. So x plus 1 whole square is x plus 1 into x plus 1. So you have to equalize as 0, because 0 means you have to equalize as 0. Therefore x plus 1 is equal to 0. That side it goes, so x is equal to minus 1. This one x plus 1, say that's no, so x plus x is equal to minus 1. So the roots are minus 1 and minus 1 of the remaining roots. Then next problem. Next problem is, they have given you p of x, they given you p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Then by polynomial of g of x, the quotient is q of x equal to, the given quotient is x minus 2 and remainder they given minus 2x plus 4, so you have to find out g of x is question mark. So for this one you take the formula, you know the general formula, that is p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So they given here p of x, this is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So g of x is as written right as it is, q of x is x minus 2, so x minus 2, and plus is there, and in terms of r of x is minus 2x plus 4, minus 2x plus 4. So send this to this side, then x cube has written as it is, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. So if it comes this way, means the sign will be changes, because right hand side, left hand side. So minus 2x is this becomes plus 2x, minus 4 plus 4 is there, it will become minus 4. Then g of x into x minus 2. Then x cube minus 3x square. This is plus x plus 2x, so plus 3x. This is plus 2 minus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, but the negative digit is more value, so you have to put minus. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So this will be the g of x into divided by x of minus 2, it will come downside, x minus 2. X minus 2. So you have to solve by the division method. Next division method. So you have to take this one as x minus 2, this one as x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So x minus 2 is there, x cube minus 3x square is there, plus 3x is there, and minus 2 is there. So you have to take the x is there, so you have to make x cube. So x into x square is x cube. X square is x cube minus 2 into x square is 2x square minus 2x square. So this will get cancelled. The sign shall be changed in the denominator, in the second downside number. So plus 2x square minus x square. It is minus x square. Then plus 3x. Then x is there, so you have to make x square, means you have to multiply by minus x. x into h is x square and minus is there, so minus x square, minus 2 into h is plus 2x plus 2x. So this will become, change the sign, plus this will become minus. So this will calculate this 3x minus 2 is x, then x minus 2. So it is remains same, remainder is same and divisor is same. So you have to multiply by 1 only. Because when it is same means you have to multiply by 1 only. X minus 2 into 1 is x minus 2. X minus 2. Therefore this will plus, and this cancels. So remainder will be 0. So g of x is equal to, lastly the g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. So how it means, you have to take the formula p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. They given here q of x as x minus 2. So I substituted here in this. And the r of x is the minus 2x plus 4. So minus 2x plus 4. Then this one equation p of x, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Then x cube is there, so you have to send this side, 2x and 4 you have to send this side. When you are sending the values, the plus will become, addition will become minus, and subtraction will become addition. So minus is there, this side comes to 2x, this is plus 4 is there, this side comes to minus 4. Then x cube minus 3x square as it is, x plus 2x, so plus 3x. 2 minus 4 is, you can't do 2 minus 4, 4 can do 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, but negative division is greater, so I have to take minus sign. So minus 2 is equal to g of x. Then you will do the division method. X minus 2 is there, this one x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Then first you have to make it as x cube, so x is already present. So x square you have multiply, then it will become x cube. Then this will be 0. Then minus 2 into x square is minus 2x square. This will become, downside numbers will be, sign will be changed, 2x square minus 3 minus 2. It will be minus 1 because minus is greater, so minus x square plus 3x you have to take. X minus 2 is there, to make minus x square, so minus x you have to multiply, minus x square. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x, then this will get cancelled, 3x minus 2 is, downside number will be changed, x, then number is minus 2, then x minus 2 is same is there, so you have to multiply by 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0, then g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 is the answer. Then next one, they give examples of polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm, and degree p of x equal to degree q of x. First one, in that degree p of x is equal to degree q of x. So what you mean is, by this means, if you take degree p of x, here see p of x, this one x cube is there, and degree of qx, q of x, here see square is there. So this is in degree 3, this is in degree 2. So they have to told to prove that this one also x square or this one also. You see here, if not the x cube and x cube. So q of x and p of x should be the same in same degree. So I will take example for this. What example we have to take means, they given you in the textbook that 3x cube, 3x square minus 9x plus 27. They give p of x as, take the example, p of x as 3x square minus 9x plus 2. Then q of g of x, you take only number. For g of x, you have to take only number. So I have taken 3. So for degree of p of x, degree of q of x, you have to divide it by the g of x should be in the only constant number. So it should not contain any coefficient of x that type. So 3 is there. So if you find the q of x and r of for this, 3x square minus 9x plus 27. So divide it by 3. So 3 into here 3 is there, to make 3x square, so you have to x square, so 3x square. Then 3 is there, minus 9 is there, minus 3x, 3 into 3, 9, minus 9x. Then plus 27 is there. So 3 into 9 plus 9. So it will become plus 27. So this will get done. So remainder will be 0. So for this one, remainder will become 0, and the p of x equal to p of x is in the equation you can take cube or square only. Here g of x is you have to take number only. So it will get, it is factors of 3 only. So 3x square is there. 3 if you divide it by 3x square into 3x square is 3x square minus 3. So minus 9x, 3 into 9 is 27. So 3x square minus 9x plus 3x square minus 9x plus 27. So we got the g of x. So this is q of x. Q of x. This is r of x. And this is p of x. P of x. And this is g of x. So what they told? You have to prove that degree p of x equal to degree q of x. P of x is this one. Square is there. So q of x is a square. So degree are same. Degree of the both degree of the polynomial is same. So is same. So p of x equal to q of x. You can take any example. You have to take the factors of that number. If you take example, you can take 2x square minus 8x plus 16 because it is in the 2 table. So then they given g of x, you have to take g of x 2. So that will be factor will be the if you divide it, you will get the 3x square x square minus 3x plus 9. So this will be q of x and this will be p of x. Both are in the same degree. You have to take g of x is the number and remainder should become 0. Then next one. The next one, degree of q of x is equal to degree of r of x. 2x cube, you can take 2x cube plus x square. You can take any example. Minus x minus 1. So they given in the last page that answers for this. So don't now copy that. You can take any numbers. Simply you take the random numbers. 2x cube, x square minus x minus 1. So this is the p of x. P of x. Then g of x equal to x square plus 1. X square. You can take x square minus 1 also. I have taken x square plus 1. You can take x square minus 1. So the p of x is in the degree of 3 and g of x is degree in the 2. So degree of 2. Then if you divide this one, 2x cube plus x square minus x minus 1. So this one. So x square plus 1. So x square is there, so you have to make x cube. So for x cube, you have to multiply by x square into x. So 2 is also there, so you have to multiply by 2x. X square into 2x is 2x cube. Then this will get answered. 1 into 2x is 2x. This is x square is not present, so 0 square. 1 into 2 is 2x plus 2x. Therefore, this one x square minus, this will become minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Then minus 1. So then you take x square is there, so you have to make x square. So multiply by 1. This will become x square plus 1 into plus 1 is, this is 0 is not present. Plus 1 into plus 1 is 1 only. So plus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore this one get cancelled. This will becomes minus 3x. So it become minus because the number will, the sign will be changed. This is 0 as related minus 3x. Then minus 2. So minus 3x minus 2. See here r of x, what they ask you, q of x. Q of x 2x plus 1. So degree 1. So and degree of r of x. R of x is also in the degree 1. So we have proved here degree of qx is equal to degree of r of x. Q of x is equal to degree is same. So for that, if you the p of x should be in the equation in the cubic. So if you take cubic as the p of x, you have to take in the degree of 2 as the g of x. Then only you will get the remainder as degree 1 and remainder and quotient as degree 1. So both are same. So degree of qx equal to degree of r of x. So q of x 2x plus 1, degree 1 and minus 3x minus 2. The signs will not be included. Only you have to show the that quotient of that degree should show as the remainder of x. So you can take for this one, you have to take example like this. You should take the factor g of x as the only number, and you can take this p of x as cubic or quadratic polynomial. Then you have to divide it. Then when you divide it, you will get the 0 as the remainder, and q of x will be the same as p of x. So degree of the polynomial is same p of x as q of x. For this problem, degree of qx equal to degree of r of x. You have to take the any number. You can take here 3x cube plus minus. So you can take anything. You can take any equation 2x cube plus x square minus s minus 1. Then g of x you have to take the degree smaller than this number equation. 2x cube is there, so I have taken x square plus 1. So x square plus 1 you have to divide it. Then you will get the q of x the degree 1, and the remainder will be also r of x. So you can take any examples, random examples you can take. You can take any numbers. The answer will be same. The method you have to remember, that is you have to take here in constant number. Here in this the degree of the polynomial of the p of x lesser than the p of g of x. So x square plus 1. Then you will get the same as the degree of q of x into r of x. Then last one, they given degree of r of x is equal to 0. So degree of r of x is equal to 0 means it should leave the remainder not 0. Should the remainder like 3, 4, 5 like that. If you check in the your textbook, it is given that example 6 and of 9.2. After the 9.2 exercise, 2.2 after the 2.2 exercise, the problem is like that: 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So it is not divisible by fully. So x plus 2 are they given as g of x. Then you take this x of g of x is x plus 2, and 2x cube plus 3x plus 1 is p of x. Then you divide it. Then when you divide it, the remainder will be 3. So here degree of r of x is 0 because it does not contain any coefficients of x or x square. So it is the remainder will be r of x. R of x is 0. So for that problem, r of x, you have to you can refer this problem. You can take any number. It should not be fully divisible. So they given in the example is that x plus 2, 2x square plus x plus 3x1. The remainder is leaving here 3. So here in this degree of divisor is same and degree of quotient is same, but degree of p of x is in the degree of 2. So the remainder should be in the value. Then only it is the r of x will become 0. So I think you understood this topic. Only you have to remember this formula: p of x is equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x. You should know when the conditions for this. When you have to take the g of x as a number, when you have to take g of x as the degree 2 and degree 3, and you have to solve. You can take any example other than this also. You can take any numbers. Then you will get for the first one you have to take the factors of that only. So if you take 3x square minus, so it is in the 3 table. If you can take 4x square minus 15x plus 32. So like that you have to take the number which is divisible by that coefficient of first number. So you can take the equation like this. So I think you understood this one. So this completes the second chapter. If you have any doubt in this 2.1 exercise, you can ask me, and you can comment in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel and share it to others who are studying intention. That will make this one this topic. For them this is very useful, and I am teaching in a better way. So thank you.